Today, dear friends, we are going to start solve the question of ratio and proportion. NCERT class 6, chapter 12, exercise 12.1, class 6. Question number 1 is given. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. What is the ratio of numbers of girls to the number of boys? What is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys? Solution. There are 20 girls. Number of girls is equal to 20, and 15 boys in a class. Number of boys is equal to 15. Number of boys 15. So total students in the class. Therefore total student is equal to boys plus girls in the class. $20 girls plus 15 boys is equal to 35 total students 35. First question is given, what is the ratio is given, what is the ratio of numbers of girls to the number of boys? Ratio of girls to boys. Girls are given 20 numbers. 20 numbers of girls and 15 numbers of boys. 20 upon 15. Now if we read the table of 5, 5 is 5, 5 is 5, 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Further it cannot be simplified. Further it cannot be simplified. So ratio of girls to the boys is, therefore girls to boys is equal to 4:3. Answer. Question number 1, part B. It is given there are 20 girls and 15 boys in a classroom. What is the ratio of numbers of girls to the number of students in the class? What is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students in the class? Now given number of girls is given 20. Number of girls 20. Total number of students, boys and girls, 20 girls and 15 boys. Total student is equal to girl plus boys is equal to 20 girls plus 15 boys, we got 35. Question is what the question is asking, we have to give you the answers. Ratio of number of girls to the total of ratio of girls to the total students of the class. total girls and total ratio between ratio of क्या है गर्ल्स इज टू टोटल स्टूडेंट ठीक है इज इक्वल टू गर्ल्स कितनी है 20 हाउ मच गर्ल्स given girls is 20 numbers of girls and total students we have added girls and boys. We got the total students of the class. We got the result. Total student 35. Now we will read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 to the 10. 5 to the 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 7s are 35. We got the ratio after simplifying for ratio of girls to the total students. Ratio of girl is to total students is equal to, we got 4:7 or 4/7 is the answer. Now ratio and proportion. Question number 2 is given. Out of 30 students in a classroom, 6 likes football, 12 likes cricket, and remaining like tennis. Find the ratio of number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. Now solution is first is given total student 30. Number of student likes student likes football is equal to 6. A student likes cricket is equal to 12, and remaining like tennis. So how you will find the student likes tennis? So total students plus football plus cricket minus football plus cricket students. So therefore student likes tennis, it will be total student minus students like football minus football plus cricket to tennis. We will get the student like tennis, cricket. A student likes tennis is equal to total students is given 30 minus number of student likes football 6 and number of student likes cricket 12. 30 minus 6 plus 12 18. Therefore 30 minus 18 12. Therefore 12 students like tennis, Now the first question, A part is the number of students liking football to number of students. Find the ratio of number of students like football to number of students liking tennis. So ratio of number of students liking football, ratio of football players to ratio of tennis players is equal to football players is given, number of football players is given 6, and the tennis students, number of students who like tennis 12. We got the result from minusing, subtracting from total students playing football and cricket. We got 12. The first, we got the result. We got the answer: ratio of football players to ratio of tennis. Now if we will read the table of 6, both number will cut down. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. We got the result of 1 is to 2, 1 is 2. Therefore ratio of football players to ratio of tennis players is 1 is to 2. We got the answer: football players to tennis players is 1 is to 2. Question number 2, part B. Question is given: out of 30 students in a class, 6 likes football, 12 likes cricket, and remaining likes tennis. Find the ratio of part B, number of students liking cricket to total number of students. So question is, we have to find the ratio. Between students liking cricket students. Cricket is playing is our total students. So between cricket players total students. Cricket players 12 students like to play cricket, and total number of students given 30, according to question 30. Now if we will read the table of 3 times 3 4 3 1s are 3, 3 0 3, 3 times 30 10, 3 4s are 12. Further it will if we will read the table of 2, it will both will be divided. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now further it cannot be simplified. Hence ratio between cricket players to total number of students. Ratio between cricket players to total student is cricket players to total students is equal to ratio is, we got the answer 2 is to 5 or 2 upon 5. Answer. Stationery class 6 chapter 12 exercise 12.1 ratio and proportion. See question number 3 is given. See the figure and find the ratio of. Figure is given, one rectangle is given, and in this rectangle having three triangles, 1 2 3 triangles, 2 circles and 2 squares, and 2 squares. Now question is first question is to find क्या है, number of triangles. Find the ratio between number of triangles to number of circles. Number of triangles to number of circles inside the rectangle. तो रेशियो क्या है, रेशियो पे therefore ratio of triangles to ratio of circles inside the rectangle. Circles, ratio of triangles to ratio of number equation is number of triangles to find the ratio between number of triangles to number of circles inside the rectangle. ठीक है, तो ratio of triangles to circles. Now if we see I'm in this figure having 3 triangles, 1 2 3. How much? 3 triangles and 2 circles, 1 2 1 and 2 circles. So ratio answer will be number of triangles, how much? 3 triangles inside the this figure, 3 triangles and circles, 2 circles. So ratio what is the ratio? 3:2 or 3:2. आंसर हो गया. रेशियो ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स टू द रेशियो ऑफ सर्कल्स inside the figure. Okay, so ratio we have to find the ratio between triangles and circles. So total triangles were 3, total triangles were 3 and total circles were 2. So the ratio between them is triangle ratio between triangles to circle is 3:2, or we can write 3:2. ratio को बोलते हैं 3:2. Okay, question number 3 का part B. Question is given, one figure is given. See the figure and find the ratio. One figure is given and having this figure having 3 triangles, 1 2 3 triangles, 1 2 and 3 triangles, and 2 squares, 1 and 2 squares and 2 circles. Now question is question number B part is the number of squares. क्या है? नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स 1 2. नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स कितने हैं? 1 2. नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स, फाइंड द रेशियो बिटवीन द नंबर्स ऑफ स्क्वायर्स टू ऑल द फिगर्स इनसाइड द रेक्टेंगल. तो नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स कितने हैं? 1 2 स्क्वायर्स हैं, और टोटल फिगर्स कितने हैं? एंड ऑल द फिगर्स इनसाइड है. टोटल फिगर्स स्क्वायर नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स टू टोटल नंबर ऑफ फिगर्स. तो टोटल हाउ मच? टोटल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. स्क्वायर्स कितने हैं? नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड टोटल वी हैव टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स टू ऑल द फिगर्स इनसाइड. टोटल फिगर्स स्क्वायर्स 2 हैं एंड टोटल फिगर्स कितने हैं? एंड हाउ मच आर टोटल फिगर्स? टोटल फिगर्स if you will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total figures is 7 total figures, and the ratio between the squares to the total figures ratio between squares to total figures is equal to number of squares 2 है and total figures inside the rectangle is 7. Answer is 2:7. और exercise 12.1 ratio and proportion. Question number 3, see the figure and find the ratio of this rectangle. One rectangle is given and under this rectangle we are rectangle having different figures. ठीक है. Now question C है. C is given number of circles Find the ratio between number of circles to all figures inside the rectangle. The number of circles कितने हैं? How much number of circles? 1 and 2. 2 circles. Number of circles कितनी है? 2 है. And total number of figures inside the rectangle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So total figures, therefore total figures is equal to 7, and we have to find the number of ratio. We have to find the ratio between number of circles to all the figures. Number of circles to all the figures. Circles to all figures. Circles to all figures. Ratio between circles and all figures. So number of circles 2 है, and how much to total figures is 7. तो रेशियो क्या होगा? therefore ratio is equal to circle, number of circle to total number of figures, is equal to number of circles 2 and total figures in the rectangle. Is 7, or we got the answer 2/7, or 2:7. It is the answer. Now question number 4 of exercise 12.1, ratio and proportion. Continuing, question number 4 is given. Distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 km and 12 km. 9 km and 12 km. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Now question is given, distance traveled by the Hamid. Solution. Distance covered by Hamid, distance traveled by Hamid is given 9 km, and distance traveled by Akhtar is equal to 12 km. Now it is given distance, and a question is asking find the ratio of speed of Hamid to Akhtar, speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. ठीक है, और ये डिस्टेंस 1 आवर में टाइम इज इक्वल टू 1 आवर. ठीक है, तो स्पीड ऑफ Hamid, what is the speed of Hamid? Speed of Hamid is equal to distance upon time. Distance how much is given? 9 km, और इधर 1 आवर में जा रहा है ये 1 आवर. ठीक, ओके. नाउ स्पीड ऑफ अख्तर, इक्वल टू क्या होगा? डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय अख्तर इज 12 km एंड टाइम 1 आवर. ठीक है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेशियो बिटवीन, have to find ratio of speed of Hamid to speed, ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. Now speed of Hamid 9 km divided by 1. Speed of Hamid to speed of अख्तर हामिद की स्पीड कितनी है? हाउ मच स्पीड ऑफ हामिद? वी हैव गॉट 9 किलोमीटर divided by 1 hour given, and speed of Akhtar is equal to 12 kilometer per hour. Now we see here, now it can be solved. Same units are given, 9 kilometer, 12 kilometer in 1 hour. So this 1 hour will be cancelled, and this kilometer cancelled. We got 9 is to 12. Now if we read the table of 3, then 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So therefore we got the answer 3 is to 4. 3/4 or 3 is to 4. This answer I have find the answer of ratio between the Hamid speed of Hamid to the speed of Akhtar is 3 is to 4. Now friends, we are solving question number 5, exercise 12.1 ratio and proportion. Question number 5 is given. This table is, this equation is given. 15 upon 16 is equal to blank, fill in the blanks, upon 6 is equal to 10 upon fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks upon 30. Now if we see solution, we will see here. Now 15 upon 16 is given. 15 upon 18, sorry, this is not 16, this is 18. 15 upon 18 is given. If we read the table of 3 was the 3 to 6, 3 to 6, 3 5 the 15, or 3 6 the 18. We got the answer 5 upon 6. So 15 upon 18, we got the result 5 upon 6. 6 is given here, and here it will come 5. Okay. Now next it is given 10 upon blank. 10 upon blank. Now if we 10 upon if we take the 12, so if we read the table of 2, now next is 10 upon 10, 10 upon blank, 10 upon blank. What would be the value of this? If we take 10 upon 12, if we read the table of 10, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, here we will here we get the answer is 6. Yes, 6. Okay. Now next is blank upon 30. Blank upon 30. If we take 25 upon 30 and read the table of 5, and read the table of 5 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 30. Here we can fill 5. So we got the answer, complete answer. We got the complete answer like this. 15 upon 18 is equal to upon 6 is equal to 10 upon is equal to upon 30, and we have to solve 5. We got the result after solution. 10 10 upon 10 upon 6, 10 upon 12, and 25 upon 30, 25 upon 30. Okay, and if we 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 5 upon 6, 10 upon 12, 25 upon 30. That is the answer. And if we see, we are getting each ratio. We are getting the ratio of each 5:6, 5:6, 5:6. 15 upon 18 is to 5:6. 10 upon 12 is equal to 5:6. 25 upon 30 is to 5:6. Hence we got the result like this: 5 upon 6, 10 upon 12, 25 upon 30. And is asking, are these equivalent ratios? Yes, we are getting results. Each ratio is 5:6. Yes, these are answer हो गया. And these are, yes, these are equivalent ratios. Yes, these are equivalent ratios. Shows the answer again. Now we are dear friends, we are solving question number 6, exercise 12.1, ratio and proportion, class 6. Question number 6 given, find the ratio of the following. Part A is 81, ratio of 81 to 108, ratio of 81 to 108. Now to solve these questions, simply we start 81 to मतलब है 81 is to 108 ratio. Now if we read the table of 3, then we got the 3 2s are 6, or 3 7 are 21, or 3 3s are 9, or 3 6 is 18. Further, after simplification, if further we read the table of 3, we got the 3 9 are 27, 3 1 are 3, 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. We got the ratio of, we got the result 81 to 108. Find the ratio of the following. 81 to 108 is 3:4 or 3:4. It is the answer. Question number 6, part B. Find the ratio of 98 to 63. Now we will write this. Sorry, 98 upon 63. If we read the table of 7, so 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 2, 7 fours are 28, 7 9 are 63, 7 9 are 63. So we got the result 14 upon 9 or 14:9. Question number C, part C. Find the ratio of 33 km to 121 km. Ratio of 33 km to 121 km. Now your unit is same, kilometer cannot cancel. Here it is 33, here is 121. So if we read the table of 11 3s are 33, 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11, 3 is to 11, 3 is to 11. Hence answer is 3 is to 11 or 3 upon 11 or 3 is to 11. Answer is. Now part D. Question number 6, part D of exercise 12.1. Find the ratio of the following. Part D, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. 30 minutes to 45 minutes. These units are same, as it will be cancelled, and we read the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 1s are 3, 3, 5s are 15, 10 upon 15. Now further we read the table of 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now further cannot be divided by any table. Hence answer is 2 upon 3 or 2 is to 3. Friends, we are solving question number 7, part A. Find the ratio of the following. A है 30 minutes to 30 minutes, ratio of 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. Now this question is given 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. Now we have to convert this hours into minutes. First we have to find any ratio, we have to convert. We have the same units to find the results, to find the answers. Hence now this is given ratio of 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. (30 minutes) upon 1.5 hours. Now this hours should be converted into minutes. Now 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 1.5 hours. Therefore 1.5 hours is equal to how much minutes? 1.5 into 6 to 1.5 into 1.5 hours into 60 minutes. So 1.5 hours is equal to 60 into 1.5. 60 into 1.5. Now we will do the multiplication. 60 into 1.5. 500, 5 6 are 30. 1 0 is 0. 1 6 is 6. 0 0 6 plus 3 9. And we will put the point after 1. This is 1.5 na 1. So we got the 90 minutes. 1.5 hours is equal to 90 minutes. Therefore 30 minutes. 1.5 hours is equal to 30 minutes. 1.5 hours, we have got the 90 minutes. 1.5 hours is equal to 90 minutes upon 90 minutes. Now this minute is cancelled. 0 0 cancel. 3, we will read the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. We got the result. Answer is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 or 1:3 is the answer. Now we are solving question number 7 of 12.1, 7 part B. Ratio of 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Now this meter should be converted into centimeter. So 40 centimeter and 1.5 into meter. Okay, this now we know, since 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we will put here 40 centimeter same hai 1.5 into 1 meter into meter. 1 meter means 1 meter. This 1 meter should be 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Now we will convert 1.5 meter is equal to 1.5 into 100 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो 15 into 1 15 0 0 लगा देंगे. We will put the 0 after and we will put point after 1. 1.5 ना 1 ये पॉइंट लगाया, ये कैंसिल हो गया. तो ये what we got the result 150 centimeter. 150 1.5 meter is equal to 150 centimeter. First we have to convert the converted meter into centimeter. Now ratio (40 centimeter to 1.5 meter is equal to 40 centimeter upon 1.5 meter. We got 150 centimeter. This centimeter cancel out. This 0 0 cancel out. We got the result 4 upon 15. We cannot further divide any this, so we got the result answer 4 upon 15 or 4:15 is the answer. Now question number 7 part C. We have to find the ratio of 55 paise to ₹1. 55 paise to ₹1. Now 55 paise, ratio of 55 paise to ₹1. Now 1 rupee, since 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Now this 55 paise is equal to ₹1 is equal to 55 paise. This rupee converted into this rupee is converted to paise. So 1 rupee is 100 paise. 100 paise. 100 paise. Now if we read the table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 0 to 10 or 0. We got the result 1 upon 20 or 11:20 is the answer. वो exercise 12.1 exercise question number 7 part D. we have to find the ratio of the following 500 ml to 500 milliliter to 200 liters. Ratio of we have to find the ratio of 500 ml to 200 liter. Ratio of 500 ml to 2 liters. 2 liters. So we have to convert this liter into ml. 2 liter is convert to 200 ml, milliliters. Since 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml, milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Therefore 2 liter is equal to 2 into 1000 ml means 2000 ml. 2 liters is equal to 2000 ml. Now this question is given 5 ml 2 liters, 500 ml to 2 liters. Now 500 ml to 2 liters. 500 ml milliliter. 2 liter is equal to 2000 milliliter. We have converted here. 2 liter is equal 1 liter is 1000 ml. 2 liter is equal to 2000 ml. 2 into 1000, 2000 ml. Now we will cancel this ml will be cancelled. 0 0, this 0 0. We got 5 upon 20, or we will read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. We got 1:4. 1:4. 1:4 is the answer. Now question number 8, exercise 12.1, relation proportion, chapter class 6. Question number 8 is given. In a year, Seema earns rupees 1,50,000 and save rupees 50,000. Find the ratio of first is given money that earns to the money of these years. Ratio of money, a part is given money that Seema earns, money that Seema earn to the money she saves. Now solution is Seema earns how much money? Seema earn is equal to 1,50,000. Seema earns 1,50,000. सेविंग कितनी है? सेव्स रुपीज़ and she saves rupees 50,000. Saves 50,000 rupees. She saves 50,000. So we have to find that Seema ratio of money that Seema earns to the money she saves. Ratio of earning Seema earns to saves. अर्न कितनी करती है? 1,50,000 एंड सेविंग कितनी है? 50,000 रुपीज़. And now we have to find the ratio of earning to saving, part A. So now this 0 will be cancelled, this 0 cancelled, this 0 will be cancelled. Now we got 15 upon 50. 15 upon 50. We will read the table of 5. 3 is the 15, 5 is the 5 and 0. So in the, what is the ratio of CMA's earning to CMA's saving is CMA's earning to CMA's saving. Ratio of CMA's earn to CMA's save is we got 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10 or 3 is to 10. Therefore answer is 3 upon 10 or 3 is to 10 is the answer. First part. Exercise 12.1 chapter ratio and proportion class 6. Question is continuing. Question number 8. In a year, Seema earns rupees 1,50,000 and save rupees 50,000. Once 150 saves इतनी तो spend कितने किया? Find the ratio of now B part is given. Find the ratio between money that she saves to the money she spends. Now we will solve. Seema earns 1,50,000. Saving of Seema saving is given 50,000. Then how much she spends? Now she is how much she spends. Therefore money of Seema which she spends money of Seema is equal to what will be the expense money? On total earning minus saving. Earn minus save. Total money she earns and saving is given 50,000. Total earning is 150. Saving is 50,000. Then how much she spends? तो कितना खर्च करते हैं? टोटल अर्निंग माइनस सेविंग. टोटल अर्न कितना है? 1,50,000 माइनस सेविंग कितनी? 50,000. 150 माइनस 50 1 लाख. 150 माइनस 50 1 लाख. एक्सपेंस कितना कर दिया? हाउ मच शी स्पेंड्स? She spends rupees 1 lakh. Now we have to what we have part B. What we have to find? Money that she saves to the money she spends. Now ratio of we have to find the ratio of ratio of saves ratio of saves to ratio of spends. Ratio of spends. Ratio of saving to ratio of spending money. Saving कितनी है? How much saving given? 50,000. And how much is spending? Spending money we have calculated. Total earn minus saving is equal to she spends 1 lakh. Expense amount is given 1 lakh. Now the ratio will be, now simply we will cancel one. This 0, this is 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 will cancel this 0. We got 5 upon 10, remaining 5 upon 10, and we will read the table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Hence ratio of saving to expense is good. Therefore ratio of saving to expense is equal to 1 upon 2 or 1 is to 2 is the answer. Now we are solving question number 9, exercise 12.1 class 6 NCERT chapter 12, ratio and proportion. Question is given. There are 102 teachers in a school of 3300 students, 102 teachers and 3300 students in a school. We have to find the ratio of number of teachers to the number of students. Ratio of number of teachers to total number of students. Total teachers is given 102. Total students is equal to 3300. Therefore, the question is find the ratio of therefore ratio of teacher to students, total teachers and total students. Ratio of teacher to students. How much teacher is given? Teacher is 102 and total students 3300. Therefore, now if we read the table of 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 0 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 34 upon 1100. Now we have to read the table of 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 0. So we got 17 upon remaining 550. So therefore we find, now we got the answer. Ratio of teachers to the student is 7 upon 550 or 7 is to 550 is the answer. Question number 10, ratio and proportion, chapter 12, exercise 12.1, ncert class 6. Question number 10 is given in a college. Out of 4,320 students, 2300 are girls. Find the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students. Now total number of total number of students. Total number of student 4320. Number of girls given 4300. So number A is number of girls to the total number of students. I have to find the ratio of girls to total students. Girls total students. Girls are given 2300. So total students are 4300. Now we will cancel 0 0 0 0. We got the result 23 upon 43 or 23 is to 43. Okay, answer. Question number B, ratio between number of boys to number of girls. Number of girls 2300 given. Total number of students, total number of students 4300. Therefore number of boys is equal to 4300 minus 2300. Total student minus girls total is 0 0 0 2000. Number of boys equal to 2000. So now we have to find the number of boys to the number of girls. Number of boys to the number of girls. Ratio of boys girls. Boys 2000, girls 23,000. Now cancel. 20 upon 23 or 20 is to 23. The answer. Question number C of question number 10 part C. Question number 10 part C. Number of boys to total number of students. Now we have find. Now we know that number of boys is 2000 and total students 4300. Number of boys is equal to 2000. Total number of student is equal to 4300. Now you have to find the ratio between number of boys to number of total students, number of students, total students. Ratio between boys to total students. Boys are 2000, total students are 4300. So we got the ratio, cancel out. We got 20 upon 23 or 20 is 43. Okay. Answer. Now question number 11 is given. Out of 1800 students in a school, 750 opted basketball, 800 opted cricket, and remaining opted table tennis. If students can opt only one game, find the ratio of Number of students opted basketball to number of students opted basketball to number of students opted table tennis. Now total number of students. Total number of students is equal to 1800. Students opted basketball ball is equal to 750. Student opted cricket basketball 800 and remaining table tennis. Therefore students remaining opted table tennis is equal to total student minus basketball plus cricket. Basketball plus cricket is equal to total number of students 1800 minus sum of basketball players 750 plus cricket players 800. So 1800 minus plus 0 5 800 minus 800 minus 50 0 by 2 is equal to 250. 1800 minus 50 is equal to 250. Tennis players is equal to 250. Now we have to find the number of students opted basketball to. Now we have to find the question number of students opted basketball to the number of students opted table tennis. Now we got the table tennis players are 250. We have to find the ratio between basketball players to table tennis players. that is basket to the table tennis players. Table tennis. Basketball players are 750. Table tennis players are 250. Now we will read the 0 cancel and read the table of 5. 5 was the 5, 5 5 the 25, 5 5 the 25. Now once again we will read 5 was the 5, 5 3 is the 15. Therefore we got the answer 3:1 or 3 ratio 1 or 3:1 answer. Now question number 11, exercise 12.1, ratio and proportion, class 6. Part B is given number of, find the ratio of number of students who opted cricket to number of students who opted basketball. No cricket players are number of cricket players is equal to 800. Number of 10 basketball players, number of basketball players is equal to 750. Therefore ratio of cricket players, ratio of cricket to basketball is equal to, cricket players are 800 and basketball players are 750. Now this 0 cancel. We will read the table of 5. 5 is the 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 is 5, 5 6 is 30. Now we got the answer 16/15 or 16:15. It is the answer. Now question number 11, exercise 12.1, part C. Part C is I have to solve the part C of question number 11. Number of we have to find the ratio between number of students opted basketball to number of total students. Now ratio between basketball players are basketball players is equal to 750. Total students is equal to 1800. We have to find the ratio between basketball players, student opted basketball players to total students. Therefore ratio basketball players to total students. Basketball players are 750 and total students are 1800. Now we will this cancel, 0 cancel, and we will read the table of 5. 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 5 is 5, 5 5 is 25. Therefore Therefore ratio is 15 upon 32 or 15 is to 32. Answer. Now question number 12 of exercise 12.1 class 6 is in continuation. Cost of a dozen pens is rupees 180 and cost of a ball pen is rupees 56. Cost of pen rupees 180. Given क्या cost of pen is rupees 180 and cost of ball pen rupees 56, and we have to find the ratio of cost of pen, dozen pen to the cost of ball pen. Ratio of pen to ball pen. Ratio of cost of pen to cost of ball pen. Okay. Therefore cost of pen to cost of ball pen is equal to cost of pen. Total cost of pen is 180 upon cost of ball pen is 56. Now we will read the table of 2. 2 to the 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 0. Further we will read the table of 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. Now we got the ratio 45 upon 14 or 45 is to 14. We got the result, we got the answer. Question number 12 is given ratio and proportion, chapter 12, class 6, exercise 12.1. Question number 13 is given consider the statement ratio of the breadth to the length of the hall is 2:5. Complete the following table that shows some possible breadth and length of the hall. Now this table is given. Breadth, breadth of all, length of all. Table is given. First 10 upon 25. This value is empty. This value is given 50 and this value is given 40. This value is empty. We have to find the value of this and this. Given ratio of length, breadth to breadth to length of all is equal to given 2:5 or 2/5. That is breadth of the hall upon length of the hall is equal to 2/5. Now the first you have to find the value of this. Empty upon, you have to find the value of this table. this. Value of this, we have to find the value of breadth. Now we will consider breadth. This will be breadth upon 50 is equal to already given breadth ratio is given 2:5, 2.5, 2/5. Therefore, this value is breadth is can be find directly from 2/5 into 50. Okay. Now we will cancel out 5 as a 5, 5 as a 5, 0 means 200. This breadth we have to find the value of 50. Breadth is find we have to find the value of 200. 200. Exercise 12.1, question number 13. Consider the statement ratio of breadth to the length of hall is 2:5. Complete the following table that shows some possible breadth and length of the hall. This table is given and we have to find the value of this length and this breadth. This is breadth and this is a length. First we will find the value of this. Now this we have to find the value of breadth upon 50. We have to find the value of this value of breadth. We have to find. Now given ratio breadth of hall to length of hall given, that is breadth of the hall of the length of hall is given according to statement 2:5. Now in this case breadth is not given and length is given 50. Now this breadth upon 50. Now this breadth upon 50 is equal to 2:5 breadth of the length given. Now this breadth is 2/5 into this 50. This 50 will go. Now this 50 is breadth is divided by 50. Now when it will go to right hand side, it will multiply to this quantity. So 2/5 into 50 is equal to, we will cancel out 5 as a 5, 5 plus 10, we got the result 20. Breadth is equal to 20. Breadth is equal to 20. Hence this value is, this value is 20. We have calculated by this method. Your answer. Now next is given. Now we have to find that this 40 upon length, it is given. Now next is given 40 upon length is given and ratio is already given 2:5. 2:5. Therefore 40 into 5 is equal to, this will multiply it and this will multiply 5 into 40 into 5 is equal to 2 into length. Now this length can be calculated. अगर right hand side में जाएगा, ठीक है, 2 is multiplying by length. Now when it will go to left hand side, sorry, it will divide 40 into 5. This will divide. This will divide this expressions. Now value of the length is 2 1s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0. So we got it 2 5 3. Now 20 into 5, 20 into 5 is equal to this length, is equal to 5 to 100. Hence this value, we got this value is 100. We got the value 100. Okay. This 100 is the answer. Question number 14, ratio and proportion, class 6, chapter 12.1, chapter 12, exercise 12.1. It is given, divide 20 pence between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio 3:2. Total pence is equal to 20. And we have to divide the between Sheila and Sangeeta ratio in the ratio. Divide pence is in ratio 3:2. Means Sheila and Sangeeta is 3:2 given. We have to divide, and total pence are 20. Now total parts Sheila, total parts Sheila plus Sangeeta, तो parts है शीलास 3 है प्लस संगीता 2 है, इक्वल 5. टोटल पार्ट्स 5 है. रेशियो के पार्ट्स टोटल 5. So we have total parts which we have to divide is 3 plus 2 5. Now Sheila's share. Sheila is ratio is 3. Sheila's ratio is 3 upon total 5. Total parts 5 into total pence 20. Now we will read the table of 5. 5 is a 5. 5 4 is a 20. 3 4 is a 12. 12 pence. Therefore Sheila's share of pen are 12. And now Sangeeta's share of pens is equal to, Sangeeta's ratio is given 2. Sheila and Sangeeta's ratio 3:2. Sangeeta's share is 2. 2 upon total parts 5. Now Sangeeta's share is 2 upon 5. Total shares 2 upon 5 into total pence 20 is equal to, we will read the table of 5. 5 is a 5. 5 4 is a 20. We got the 8. Therefore Sangeeta share of pence are 8 is the answer. Question number 15 of exercise 12.1. Mother wants to divide ₹36 between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika. The ratio of their ages in the ratio of their ages. If age of Shreya is 15 years and age of Bhumika is 12 years, find how much Shreya and Bhumika will get. No total rupees is 36. And age of Shreya is age of Shreya 15 years. And age of Bhumika 12 years. Now mother will divide the ratio in the ratio of their ages. So ratio of ages is equal to 15 upon 12. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 5:4. Ratio of age is 5:4. Now, therefore, their total parts of ages. Total parts of age 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Total parts of their ages is 9 parts. Now Shreya's here. Now Shreya's share total ratio of क्या है 5:4. 5:4 ratio of एज क्या है 5 parts 5 parts age of is Shreya and 4 parts is Bhumika. तो श्रेया शेयर क्या है 5 अपॉन टोटल पार्ट्स 9 है इंटू ₹36 डिवाइड मतलब विल डिवाइड 36 विथ टोटल ₹36. तो 9 was 9, 9 4s are 36, 5 4s are 20. Therefore Shreya's got ₹20. आंसर हो गया. एंड भूमिका नो भूमिका शेयर क्या हो जाएगा व्हाट विल बी द शेयर ऑफ भूमिका. नाउ रेशियो इज 5:4 मतलब रेशियो 5 parts is age of Shreya and 4 parts is Bhumika. तो Bhumika's part is 4 Bhumika's part and total parts is 9 and total rupees we have to divide 4 parts of age is Bhumika's and total part is 9 4 upon 9 and total money which mother wants to divide is ₹36. Now we will do the table 9 9 was 9 9 4 are 36. तो 4 4 is 16. तो भूमिका got ₹16 and Shreya got ₹20. Now if we will add this 16 plus 20 we will get the 36. Yes, answers are correct. Question number 16. Exercise 12.1 chapter 12 ratio and proportion is given. Present age of father is 42 years and that of son is 14 years. Find the ratio of first A. Present age of father to the present age of son. Present age of father to present age of son. Now is given present age of father is 42 years. 42 years, and present age of son is equal to 14 years. 14 years. Therefore, ratio present age of father to the present age of son is father to son. Father is given 42 years and son is 14 years. Now we will read the table of 2. 2 7 is 14, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 7 is 7. We will read the table of 7. 7 3 is 21. 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1 or 3 is to 1. Therefore, ratio of father to son 3 is to 1. Answer. Now it is given question number 6 part B. We are going to solve. Present age of father is 42 years and age of son is 14 years. Find the ratio of part B, age of father to the son. Ratio between age of father to the son when son was 12 years old. When son was 12 years old. It is given 42 years when father was 42 years, when father is 42 years, when father is, now solution क्या है, when father is 42 years, son is 14 years, given, it is given. Okay. Now we have to find the age of father, ratio of age of father to the son when son was 12 years. When 14 years का son था तो father 42 years था. Nowadays we have to find the age of father to the son when son was 12 years. When son was 2 years less than present age, means son is 12 years. Son is 12 years. So their father would be, father was 42 minus 2 means 40 years. 40 years. Son when son was 12 years, when son was 12 years, father was 42 minus 2 less than 2 years is 40 years. Father was 42 years. Therefore, ratio between father to the son when son was 12 years. Father is 40 years. Father was 40 years and son was 12 years. We will read the table of 2 6 is 12, 2 is 0. We will read the table 3 2 3 2 is 6. We will read the table of 3. We will read the table of 2. 3 2 is 6. 2 3 is 6. 2 1 is 10. 2 1 is 2 or 0. So ratio of father. Therefore, ratio of father to the son when son was 12 years is 10 upon 3 or 10 is to 3. 10 is to 3 now is the answer. 10 is to 3. Number 16 part C. We are solving. Present age of father is 42 years and that of son is 14 years. Now this present age of father is equal to 42 years. and present age of son is 14 years. Now we have to find the ratio, the age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. Okay, now it is saying that age of father to the son after 10 years. After 10 years, what will be the age of now we have to find the age of father after 10 years, and age of the son is son after 10 years. Now future, therefore we will find the age of father, age of present ages of father and son is given this, and the age of father after 10 years we have to calculate the ratio after 10 years. After 10 years, so we have to find the age of father and the son after 10 years. So age of father after 10 years. Present age 42 years plus after 10 years plus we have to add 10. Father's age would be 42 plus 10, 52 years. Age of father after 10 years would be 52 years. Now age of the son after 10 years. Age of father after age of son. Age of son after 10 years. The present age is given 10 years. We have to find the age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. The present age of father is 42 years and present age of son is 14 years. What would be the age of after 42 years? So we have got the age of father after 10 years is 52 years. Now age of son after 10 years. Present age is 14 years plus we will add the age after 10 years, 10 to the age of son. Age of present son's age. Present son's age is 14 years, and what would be the after 10 years? 14 plus 10, 2 plus 4, 24 years. Now we have to find the age of father after 10 years to the age of son after 10 years. Therefore, ratio of father to son after 10 years is equal to age of father after 10 years is 52 years and age of son after 10 years is 24 years. Now we will get the table of 2. 2 1 2 2 4, 2 2 4, 2 6 12. Now further 26 upon 12 we got. Now once again we will get the table of 2, 2 6 12, 2 1 2, 2 3 6. We got the result. Since it cannot be further simplified, therefore 13:6. We got the ratio 13:6. Therefore age of father to son after 10 years is 13:6 or 13:6 is the answer. Now question 16, exercise 12.1 part D. Age of father, we have to find the ratio between age of father to the son when father was 30 years old. When father was 30 years old. Now present age of father is 42 years and present age of son is 14 years. Now it is saying that we have to find the ratio of father to the son when father was 30 years old. This present is to the past age. When we have to find the ratio when father was 30 years. When father was 30 years old. So 30 years old, when father was 30 years old, we will see how much earlier years. Now this question can be solved. Present is 42 minus 30. When father was 30 years old, we get the 2 for 12 years. Now father when 12 years, therefore we got 12 years ago पहले 12 years ago father was 12 years ago father was 30 years old. 12 years ago from present to the past, where 12 years ago father was 30 years old. 12 years ago father was 30 years old. Therefore 12 years ago son is 12 years ago son was present is 14 minus 12. 12 years ago son was 14 minus 12. Present is 14 and 12 years ago was son. 2 years. 12 years ago son was 14 minus 12 is 2 years. So now we have to find the ratio between father to the son when father was 30 years old. So 30 years old, when father was 30 years, this present is 42 years. 12 years before ago, 12 years ago father was 30 years old. So therefore we have to find the ratio. Therefore ratio 30 years to when father was 30 years, the son was 2 years old. When father was 30 years old, son was 2 years old. So the ratio between 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 5 are 15. Ratio between father to son when father was 30 years old is equal to 15 upon 1 or 15:1. It is the answer. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe, and comments please. Thanks.